Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. So we are in the lesson the Narayanpur incident. In the previous class, we have learned that Mohan and his friend Suman were carrying a big parcel, which was the cyclostyling machine, to their house very secretly. Why? Because the usage of cyclostyling machine was banned by the British government. They used the cyclostyling machine to make copy of Mahatma Gandhi's speech and they distributed to the people. Mohan's mother also told to keep the cyclostyling machine in the puja room, and a light in the puja room would make the situation very normal. And Mohan instructed Babu and Manju to watch if anyone was approaching their house. So why was Manju disappointed? Manju was disappointed because she expected some excitement and activity during or after the procession. But since the procession took place in a silent manner, she was disappointed. What was there in the big newspaper parcel? A cyclostyling machine was there in the big newspaper parcel. Why did Mohan bring it in secretly? Mohan brought the cyclostyling machine secretly because the usage of the machine was banned by the British government. Where was the machine placed? The machine was placed in the puja room. Why did Mohan's Amma suggest to use the machine in puja room? Mohan's Amma suggested to use the machine in the puja room because a light in the puja room would make the situation more normal. What was the instruction given by Mohan to Babu and Manju? Mohan instructed Babu and Manju to sit in front of their home and to watch if anyone was approaching. Now let us see what happened then. So Babu sat outside, alert and attentive. Soon he felt a thickening in his throat. Thickening in his throat means felt suddenly excited and emotional. Because he felt a thickening in his throat because a man rode a bike and he stopped outside their gate and he was opening their gate. So Babu, he ran inside their house and alert everyone. So on getting the alert from Babu, Amma got up and came out from the puja room and followed by Mohan and Suman. Amma told Manju and Babu to go to bed. So then they heard a knock at the door. Amma asked Mohan to see who was there at the door. And Mohan told Amma that the sub-inspector, Mr. Patil, had come. So Patil introduced himself as the school friend of Mohan's father and he told not to worry. And he told that he came there to help them, and also he informed that a search was going to take place at their house. Patil told that he had heard the Sahibs talking. Sahib means the British government officials. So they were talking about a cyclostyling machine and they were suspecting that they were hiding the cyclostyling machine in Mohan's house, and they were talking that they decided to have a raid in Mohan's house. So on hearing this, Mohan scoffed. Scoffed means laughing at someone without respect. So Mohan refused that they don't have the cyclostyling machine and added that the inspector was spying on them. But the inspector ignored Mohan and he started speaking with Mohan's mother. But Mohan's mother accepted that the cyclostyling machine was at home. So on hearing this, Mohan got angry and shouted at his mother. But the policeman told that he could trust him as because he was a friend of his father. So now Mohan's mother instructed Mohan to give the cyclostyling machine to Patil, and she told Suman to leave the house. So now Mohan ducked into the puja room and lugged the machine out and gave it to Patil. and Patil was asking for a bag to carry the cyclostyling machine. Babu had already got a bag and he gave it to the policeman, and Patil got the cyclostyling machine, and Patil, Mohan and Suman they went out of the home. Now the home seemed unbelievably quiet after the earlier activity. So Amma suggested everyone to go to bed, and Mohan came back shortly. After that, they heard a loud knock at the door. Amma told Mohan to look who was there at the door, and a strange voice ordered to open the door. But this time they knew for sure that it was not a friend standing outside, but it was the police. And there was no need for Mohan to announce that it was the police. Because the sub-inspector Patil had already informed that there will be a raid in their home. So they confirmed that the person who was standing at the door was the police. So with this, the incident came to an end, and the characters in this story were all patriotic, and they demonstrated their love for their country. So why was Babu tensed? Babu was tensed because he saw a man riding a bike, stopped right outside their gate, and he was approaching their home. Why was Amma's hand trembling? Amma's hands were trembling because she might have thought that someone would have come to check their home. Why Patil came to Mohan's house? Patil came to Mohan's house to warn them of an impending search that enables Mohan to take Suman to a safer hideout. And also he asked for the cyclostyling machine to take it away with him. Why did Amma allow Patil to take away the cyclostyling machine? Amma allowed Patil to take away the cyclostyling machine because she knew the consequences if their plan failed. So this is the reason why she allowed the Patil, the sub-inspector, to take away the machine. Why did Mohan oppose Patil? Mohan opposed Patil because Mohan felt that Patil would cheat them as he was a policeman. What happened after everyone went to bed? They heard a loud knock at the door, and a strange voice ordered them to open the door. What was they sure about? They were sure that the police was standing outside and it was not the friend. So homework, read page 17, 18 and 19. Write synonyms for the following words: scoffed, emerged, anxious, ignored. Write antonyms for the following words: patiently, strange, hide, tensed. And make sentence of your own. Making a show of, felt thickening in the throat. Thank you, students.